Okay, there's one story between two friends, Manoj and conversation between two friends, Manoj and Shardi. Okay, now I'm going to read this story. Listen carefully, children. Page number 4. One day, Manoj returned home sadly after school. My friend Ankita did not come to school today, Manoj said to his sister Sharadi. Not friends, children. Manoj and Sharadi's sister and brother. Okay. Why? Sharadi asked to Manoj. Okay. She is not well. Manoj replied. Our health is important. We need three things to keep us healthy. Sharadi started explaining to Manoj. Eating well, exercising, and getting enough sleep. Sharadi said. Eating well. What does it mean? Manoj asked. Food plays a large part in health. Healthy food includes fresh fruits and vegetables, but not junk food, Sharadi explained to Manoj. We get food and sleep at home, but where can we get exercise? Manoj asked. Playing is a very good form of exercise. Yoga is another excellent activity. Don't worry about that. Whenever you get time, go out and play with friends. Saying this, Sharadi pushed Manoj out to play with his friends. As I told you earlier, for good health, we need to adopt some good habits in our life, right? Eating well means we need to eat more fruits and vegetables, not junk food, children, right? You should not eat junk food more, children. Just avoid junk food. Fine. Eating well means eat more vegetables and fruits. 15 days once or weekly once. If you eat non-veg, yes, it is also good. Okay. Then exercise is nothing but not only doing walking exercise, not like the children. If you play with your friends, that is also one type of exercise. You'll become physically, you'll become more strong. Okay. Then yoga is also another type of exercise. Then one more, go to bed early. Getting enough sleep means you have to get up early, and as well as you have to go to bed early. In this way, we can keep our health in a good way. Understood? Okay. Children, try to read this lesson. Try to read this lesson. Okay. Fine. Now, I am going to give you some hard words regarding this topic. Health is happiness. Please open your English classbook. New words, not hard words. New words. Write down. Exercise. EX, EX, ERCISE. Exercise. Next, second one. Health. Third one. Playing. Fourth one. Fruits. Fifth one. Vegetables. Vegetables. Sixth one. sleep. Seventh one, important. Eighth one, food. Ninth one, sadly. 10th one, friends. F-R-E-I-N-D-S. F-R-E-I-N-D-S. Friends. Okay. These are the 10 new words I have given to learn and write. I hope you will. Okay. Try to read this lesson. Okay, children. Fine. Now I am going to complete the textbook worksheets. Okay. Please open your page number, English textbook page number 1. Okay. In this page number 1, they have given some fruits and vegetables. Look at the picture and read the words given. Read, children. Grapes. What? Grapes. Second one, carrots. Carrots. fish. Fish. bananas. Bananas. Why not bananas? Because there is a more bananas. More than one means we need to say in plural, right? Bananas. We need to add yes, right? Yes. Next, coffee. 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 Next, juice. 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 Potatoes. See here. Potatoes. Potatoes. The word ends with AEIOU. We need to add ES. Okay. Not ES. Wait. The word ends with like CH, SH, X, right. The word ends with CH, SH and X and S. We need to add ES like church, CHURCH. Church means we need to add, we can't say churches, right? Church we can't say, so churches, it's a plural form of church, churches. We need to add ES. Okay, when we write in a plural form, we need to add ES. For one more, for example, bus, BUS, bus. Bus we can't say, right? Buses, ES we need to add. SH, push. Fish, sorry. Fish, fishes, ES we need to add. For BOX, box, ES we need to add. Boxes. The word ends with CH, SH, X and S. We need to add ES. The rest of other words like banana, it's going to add yes, it's enough. Okay. I hope all are done. Next, come to the worksheet. Write the words under the correct headings given below. The first one is fruits, right? Here, grapes, bananas are the fruits, write down. Vegetables, potatoes, carrots are the vegetables, write down. Drinks, juice, coffee are the drinks. Meat, fish, only one. Okay, write down. Next, come to the second page. Match the action words with the correct picture. The first one is pulling. Pulling means eliyodu, right? Yes. Second picture. This boy is pulling, right? Yes. Next, skipping. First picture. Pulling is the second picture. Match. Skipping is the first picture. Match. Hopping. This one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sixth one. Okay, hopping. Throwing. See, this boy is throwing something. Okay, throwing. Sliding. Jarodu. See, a sixth, last one. Pushing. Tallodu. See, this boy is pushing some box, right? Yes. Running. Ododu. See, eighth, this one. Running. This girl is running, right? Yes. Next, come to the next page number 5th. Let us speak. Circle the word that does not belong to the group. First one, pencil, pen, ball, paper. Write down your EVS classwork. Heading, circle the word that does not belong to the group. Belong to the group. Okay. First one, pencil, pen, ball, paper. Pencil, pen, ball, paper. Which one is does not suit for this group children? Belong to the group. Pencil used to write, pen used to write, paper used to write, right? Yes. But ball is to play. So this word, ball word is does not suit for this group. Okay, doesn't suit for this group. The second one, flower, nose, hand, leg. Leg, hand, nose are the parts of the body. Flower is a different. It doesn't suit for this group. Okay. Third one, carrot, 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 POTATO, potato, tomato, ice cream. Potato, tomato, carrot are the vegetables, ice cream is different. Okay. Fourth one, soap, paste, shampoo, spoon. Soap, paste, shampoo, spoon. Soap, paste, shampoo we use while taking bath. Spoon is different, right? Next, chess, ludo, carom, cricket. Chess, ludo, carom are the indoor games. Cricket is the outdoor game. Cricket. Circle cricket. Next, come to the sixth page. Page number 6. Say what do you do every day with the help of these pictures given. The first one, yoga. The second one picture is bathing. Third one is prayer. Fourth one is walking, right? Fifth one picture is playing. Sixth one is eating. Seventh one is sleeping. From yoga we'll get it's another excellent exercise for a body to maintain a good health. Okay, next, no need to write anything. For bathing, we'll feel fresh physically. We'll feel fresh if we take bath means. Prayer, it gives us concentration. If we pray to God, God gives us good concentration, good memory power. Next, walking. She is going somewhere, I think, to school. From walking, we'll get, we can reduce our weight. We can reduce our weight. Then, physically, we'll become strong. From playing also, it's just one recreation to become a physically, mentally strong. Playing is also one type of exercise. Okay. Next, good eating habits. If we eat good vegetables, fruits, means it improves our health. And from the good eating habits, like in a fixed time, if we take meals, dinner, lunch, and meals, like dinner, lunch, and breakfast means, uh, it improves our uh, metabolism, like digestion, internal digestion will get improved. So we need to adopt some good eating habits. Okay. Next, enough sleep. Go to bed early and wake up early. This is a good. If we get good enough sleep means we'll feel fresh. Next day we feel very fresh. Okay. Next, color the words that describe you. Friendly. Are you friendly? Yes. You just color it. Okay. Healthy. I hope you all healthy children. Okay. Kind. Yes, you are very kind to others. Cheerful. I think my children all always cheerful children. Active. Yes. Bold. Of course. Helpful. Kindness, helpful is not the same. Smiling. My kids are always smiling kids. Okay. Color the things that you like to eat. If you like apple, you just color. Bread, color it. Milk, yes, color it. If you like, according to your choice, you just color it, children. Ice cream, cake, pastry, corn, banana, grapes. And the last one is, I think this is butter. Is this butter? Okay, you just color it. Okay. Next, watermelon, seasonal fruit, right? Yes. Then this is again cake. Okay. Next, come to the next main. Complete the following sentence choosing the right word from the brackets. Manoj returned to home. If you read the lesson, you can easily say the answer. Manoj returned home proudly or sadly? Sadly, right? Why? One of his friend is not well. That's the reason Manoj returned to home sadly. Right? Yes. Our health is costly or precious? Precious. Healthy food doesn't include junk food. It includes only fruits, vegetables, and one more, that is meat. Okay. We get exercise from playing. We get exercise from playing. Okay. Next, a few words are given under a list A. Here some words they have given: bath, tooth, foot, pop, door, nail, eyes. Okay, make a new words by adding one word from list B. Like matching, from this side we need to take some words and we need to make a new word. For example, first one is bath. Here, tub, bath tub. It's a correct word, right? Yes, bath tub. Next, tooth, brush, toothbrush, match. Foot, path, match. Popcorn, match. Doorbell, match. Nail cutter, match. Ice cream, match. Understood? Okay. Next, what would you like to have for breakfast, lunch, and dinner? According to your choice, you have to write. Example, dosa they have given. For breakfast, if you like pulao, you can write pulao. Okay. For lunch, if you write chapati, you can write chapati. For dinner, again, if you like some dosa, chapati, or rice means you can write. Understood? Okay. Next, add E to the following words, then say the sets of words aloud. The first one, KIT, Kit they have given. If we add E, the word become kite, right? K-I-T-E, kite. Next, they have given B-I-T, bit. If we add E to the word bit, the word become bite, B-I-T-E, bite. Next, T-A-P, tap. If we add E to the word tap, the word become T-A-P-E, tape, right? H-O-P, hop. It's action word, hop. If you add E to the hop, H-O-P-E, become the word H-O-P, hope. Hope for the best, like, okay? M-A-T-E, mat, doormat. If you add E to that word, M-A-T, mat, it's become the word like mate, M-A-T-E, mate, classmate. She is my classmate, okay? H-A-T, hat, cap, right? If you add E to the word hat, the word become hate, I hate you, right? Yes. Next. From the following list, write down which things are important to you, which are not so important. Okay, loving parents, yes, it is important. Write down here. Good health, yes, it is very important. Write down. Many friends, not necessary, right? 1 or 2 friends is enough. Not so important, right? Clean clothes, yes, we have to wear clean clothes. Write down. Lot of toys, not necessary, right? 1 or 2 toys is enough. Write down. A nice house, yes, it is important. Good grades, yes, it is also very important. Write down. It's enough, children. Now I am going to give you some notes regarding this topic. Health is happiness. In the page number 5, they have given 3 questions. The first question is answer the following questions orally. But I am going to write it on the board, children. Okay, you have to write. The first question is name the 3 things which are good for our health. Name the 3 things. 3 things. What are the 3 things which are good for our health, children? Eating well, exercising, and getting enough sleep. These are the 3 things are good for our health. Next, what does healthy food include? Healthy food includes fresh fruits and vegetables, which is a good form of exercise as mentioned in the lesson. Playing is a very good form of exercise. Playing is a good form of exercise as mentioned in the lesson. Okay. Write down. First question. I am going to write the answer, children. Okay. For the question, you just copy it from the test book. Name the 3 things which are good for our health. First one, A. Or else we can write like this. Eating well. Eating well. Exercising. And getting enough sleep. These are the 3 things. These are the 3 things good for our health. Good for our health. Second question answer. What does healthy food includes? Healthy food includes fresh fruits and vegetables. Write down. Healthy food includes fresh fruits and vegetables. Full stop. Third question. Which is a good form of exercise as mentioned in the lesson? Playing is a good form of exercise mentioned in the lesson. The first question answer: eating well, exercising, and getting enough sleep. These are the three things good for our health. The second question answer: healthy food includes fresh fruits and vegetables. I hope you have done. Third question: which is a good form of exercise mentioned in the lesson, right? Playing is a very good form of exercise. Write down. Playing, Playing. Playing is a very good form of exercise. Playing is a very good form of exercise as mentioned in the lesson. Yes. Mentioned in the lesson. Okay. This is what the notes I have given to learn and write, children. Okay. For the next worksheet, you will have 2 lessons from the subject English. You will have 2 lessons. One is Krishna and Sudama, and one more is Health is Happiness. I hope all you will learn both 2 lessons. Okay. And also some grammatical portions using this, these, those, and that, and rhyming words, opposite words, and one more synonyms, about synonyms, homophones, and one more antonyms is nothing but opposite words, right? Yes. And one and many, plural and single form. Okay, now just now I have explained, right? The word ends with ch, x, then sh, x, s when you add yes, rest of other words s. Okay. If the word ends with y, like fly, the plural form of flies, right? flies. Instead of y, we need to add ies. Understood? These 3 things you have to remember while converting singular to plural. Okay, the word ends with ch, sh, x, and s. We need to add es. The word ends with y. We need to add es. Instead of y, we need to add ies. Skies, right? Cries, ies. Y, instead of y, we need to add ies. Okay, rest of other words s is an. Understood? This is what singular and plural, one and many. Understood, children? I hope. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.